CPA marketing. So in this video I'm going to show you a new method of CPA marketing for beginners. So before I'm going to start this video, make sure to subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So right now you guys can see I am in CPAGrip because I'm going to promote CPA offers. That's why I am using CPAGrip, and you guys know CPAGrip is one of the CPA marketing platform, and I show you this platform a lot of the times. And quickly, I'm not going to give you a really big overview because almost everybody know about CPAGrip. If any new one is watching this video and they don't have CPAGrip account, all you need to do is just simply click register and fill out all your basic details, and your account will be created instantly. CPAGrip don't need any kind of approval. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly log in, and then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go and promote CPA offers. Okay, so let's go. Right now you guys can see I am logged in CPAGrip account. So these are the offers you guys can see, recently and top performing offers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly click on offer tools, and I'm gonna simply click on my offers. So once you click on my offers, you guys can see this kind of page, all the offers you guys can see here. And you guys can also able to select a specific country offers, specific like category, specific stats, or you guys can search, or you guys can also go with like specific devices offers. Okay, so I'm gonna ignore all these things, and I selected United States. It means I'm gonna only promote these offers in US. And now I'm gonna looking for the highest payout. You guys can see this is the highest payout, is like $3.16. So these are almost same offers but different devices. Okay, so let's open one of these, for example this one. So now you guys can see this is the offer, and you guys can see it's like get $750 towards to your account. So basically it says like enter your information now for chance to win $750. Okay, so it's this offer only works in United States, email, zip submit, and this is for mobile, iOS, and in every single email submit you are able to make like $3.16. Okay, so today we're gonna go and promote this offer, and I'm gonna show you how we gotta go and promote this offer. So make sure you guys must select a new domain, this one. I'm gonna copy the link, close this, and now let's go. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go and promote this CPAGrip link. So let's go. So the second step is you guys simply came to this website. This website is called beacons.ai, and I also show you this website few of the times. And you know what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a simple basic landing page with this website, because nowadays no website allow you to post a direct affiliate links. Okay, so that's why we need a basic simple landing page. For basic simple landing page we use beacons.ai, and I show you a lot of the times it's completely free for beginners because we are creator. It says like free forever. You guys simply go and sign up. So I have my account. Quickly I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. So let's go. So right now you guys can see I am logged in my beacons.ai account. So once you log in on your beacons.ai account, your account will look like this. So it looks really neat and clean, and it looks really beautiful, to be honest. So first thing is you guys can see header. So this is the header. If you're not be able to see header, you guys simply click add a blog, scroll all the way down like this, and you are able to see header. Simply click add, and your header will look like this. Okay, so first I'm gonna click this, and I'm gonna add it blog. First I'm gonna upload an image. So you guys can see I uploaded this image, like simply click accept, and now you guys can see this how this image looks like. So there are a few shapes, so I'm gonna go with like square. It looks good. Scroll down, and you guys can also able to change this name. I'm gonna change this name. I'm going to change this name to Cash App because this offer is related to Cash App. So that's why I added Cash App name. You guys can add anything. Once you added anything, you guys simply click this, and you guys can see it says like saved a display name. So now I'm going to click back, and now the second thing is I'm going to click add block, and I'm going to add a link because we are attached our CPAGrip link right now. So you guys can see you're also able to select different kind of layouts. I really like a classic basic things, so that's why I'm gonna go with like classic. Scroll down, and I'm gonna click on add a new link, and in here I'm gonna quickly copy and paste my headline and my load. So you guys can see I added my CPAGrip link here, and I'm gonna also add my title like get $750 toward to your account, and you click this and it will say like link title saved. Now I'm gonna click back. So now you guys can see this is how my landing page looks like. You guys can also able to design your landing page. If you click this, you're also able to see there's a lot of themes. You guys can also go with like specific themes. I am normally go with like really simple basic landing page, and I like this kind of thing. Okay, so I'm gonna go with like simplicity, now it's completely up to you how you guys can go and design your landing page. Okay, so from here you guys can click on design, and you guys can do a lot of things with your simple with your landing page. Basically you guys can design themes and a lot of stuff, so you guys can go and explore. So I'm going to click on pages, click this, and now what you guys can do, simply click share, and you guys can see this is the link. So this is the link we go and promote on the website. So let's go. I'm going to show you how we're going to promote this landing page and this CPA offer. So let's go to the next step. So the next step is you guys simply came to this website. This website is called adcash.com. So once you came to this website, so this is a really good website, and we're going to go and promote our CPA offer with this website. And a lot of people, but still people are promoting CPA offers with this website, but not a lot of people know. That's why there's a really good advantage for us, because we will get really low CPC and CPM. I'm going to show you everything detailed, but first what you guys can do, once you came to this website, all you need to do is just simply register your account. It's super simple to register your account. If you click this, all you need to do is just fill out all these details, and your account will be created instantly. So I have my account. I'm going to quickly log in, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to promote our CPA offer. So let's go. Right now you guys can see I am logged in my AdCash account. So once you log in your account will be look like this. So this home, campaigns, zones list, reporting. So there's a lot of stuff you guys are able to see, tracking setup, and like finance setting. You guys can all the things you guys can see here. So like you guys go and explore yourself. I'm not gonna give you the overview right now. I'm gonna give you the main thing, how you guys can able to generate sales potentially. Okay, so what are we gonna do is you guys simply click on create a campaign directly. Once you click create a campaign, now we're gonna go and create a campaign. So first thing is you guys can name your campaign. So I'm gonna call it CPA. So now the second thing is you guys can see like device targeting. So I'm gonna select only smartphones, because the offer we selected in CPAGrip, that offer only works for smartphones. So that's why we only go with like mobile, or you call it smartphones, and I uncheck all these devices. Now scroll down, and our offer only works in United States. That's why we're gonna select a United States quickly. You guys can see there you go, United States, US country. Once you selected device, name your campaign, and you selected the country. Now we're gonna click next. So once you click next, now you guys can see these kind of things. So what you guys can do, you guys literally ignore this. So there's a lot of things. So all you need to just ignore this and leave it, and scroll down. And in here you guys can see user interest and website targeting. So in here what you are able to do, you guys can go and target the audience, but what I highly suggest, you guys do not touch anything. Just literally target everyone, and just leave it, because we are not selling anything, we are just need leads. Okay, so all you need to do is just literally leave it like this. Close this and do not touch website category, leave it, and just scroll down. We're gonna target everyone, literally every category and every interest people. So I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna tell you why. And now you scroll down, and you guys can see devices. So we only go with like OS name versions, and I'm gonna go with like only iOS. I clicked on iOS, and you guys can see all versions. Why I selected all versions iOS? Because our offer only works for the offer we selected in CPAGrip, that only works for mobile phone iOS. Okay, so that's why I selected this one, and simply click up, and not exclude. Make sure you guys must click on targeting only. Okay, you guys click this, and now we scroll down, and you guys can see like content domain. So all you need to do is just leave it, ignore, and simply click next. Once you click next, now you guys can see creative. So in here what we're gonna do, we're gonna create our ad. So we go with like in page push, because this is really famous, and for basically for CPA marketing, a lot of people are using in page push. So we ignore all these different kind of like you call it ads. We only go with like in page push, because like almost everybody go with like in page push for CPA offers. Okay, scroll down. In here we're gonna put our landing page URL, but first I'm gonna create my ad. So quickly I'm gonna copy and paste my title, description, and then I'm gonna show you how our ad looks like. Okay, so now you guys can see I added my title, description, and small image. So you guys can see get $750 toward to your account. It's a head title, and we give $750, and literally click and learn how. So that is my description and title, and that is a small image I uploaded. You guys, once you did this, then scroll up first thing. Remember this, you guys must paste your link like this. And now we scroll down and simply click save creative. Once you click save creative, now what we're gonna do, we simply click next. So once you click next, now you guys can see bid type and like this kind of thing. So we all the time go with like CPC. If anyone click on our ad, then we will pay any money to this like you call it ad platform media buyer. Okay, so you guys can see for United States average is we go with like 0.53. so I'm gonna go with like 0.90 suggested bid. It's completely okay. You guys simply click save changes. CPC, we pay for one click 0.090 cents. Okay, less than a cent. Now scroll down, you guys can see tracking, leave it, and you guys can see daily budget. So what I'm gonna do is, to be honest, I'm gonna go with like $5 or $10 a day. It's completely up to you. Right now I'm gonna go with like 10 and simply click save capping. So once you added save capping, now scroll down. You guys literally ignore this. You don't need to touch anything. You don't need to touch literally anything, and I suggest just leave all these. Simply click next. Once you click next, in here what you guys can do, you guys review your campaign and simply click create a campaign. So you guys can see congratulations, your campaign is created successfully. Go to the campaigns list. Right now you guys can see our campaign is published successfully, and right now it says validation. Validation basically simple is like it's in review. Our campaign, it will take some time to approve. Once your campaign is approved, then your campaign will show you all the link clicks and how you guys able to see clicks, impressions. You guys simply click on reports and click on detailed stats. So once you click on detailed stats, you guys can see all the link clicks and every impressions, clicks, conversion, CTR, CPM, and every single thing you are able to see here. So right now you are not able to see because we did not run any campaign yet. We just literally set up our campaign is review. Once it's run, then you are able to see all the data here. Okay, so what we go back, and remember one thing is very important. So you guys must test, like you guys test your campaign, like if this campaign works really well for you or not. And one last thing is remember all the time, just spend $5 to $10 and see if you're getting results. Then make sure let this campaign run. If you're not getting results, delete this campaign, create a new campaign and test that campaign again. Okay, so with this CPA marketing method, potentially you are able to make money with this method. But remember one thing, do not spend more than $5 to $10. If you spend $5 to $10, if you're seeing you're getting results, let this campaign run. If you're not seeing results, just delete this campaign. Okay, and remember one thing all the time, the strategies and the method I'm going to show you all the time, that methods and the strategies is not working for everyone. Few methods and the strategies are working for few people, and few methods and the strategies are working for other people. Results are depending on person to person. Okay, and if you want to make money online with the fastest and autopilot way, then I highly suggest you guys must watch this video.